everyone, welcome to Be My Cook. Today I have a classic fall succotash recipe for you, so I hope you enjoy it. Now most of you know that you're going to need corn and lima beans, but if you don't like lima beans, you can always use frozen peas. I wouldn't use the peas in a can because those are sad. So anyway, we have a couple of little red peppers, heavy whipping cream, salt, pepper, butter, red onion. I'm using this little pepper. It is not hot. It may look like it is, but it's not. And you can use a red pepper if you would like, or no pepper at all. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and chop up these little peppers. I have a teaspoon of olive oil in this pan, and we're going to take our red onions, about a tablespoon, and about a tablespoon of our red pepper, and we're going to saute this just for a few minutes. This has been cooking for about 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of frozen lima beans, and 2 cups of frozen corn. Stir that around. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water. Now we're going to put this on high so it starts to boil and the corn and lima beans get done. And I'm going to put a lid on, and we're going to wait for about 15 minutes. So it's been about 15 minutes and I drained off all the water. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of heavy cream and 3 tablespoons of butter. And let's stir that around. Now I have the stove on low, because everything is done. We don't want to cook it anymore. Now we're going to add salt and pepper. Now remember, I used salted butter, so I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and just a little bit of pepper. It's not about the pepper. We just want a little bit of extra spice in here. We're going to let that butter melt and that cream go around all the beans and the corn. Okay, our butter has melted, and it's time to put this in a dish. So here is our classic fall succotash. This is a great side dish. It only takes 15 minutes. You can add the red pepper and onion or leave it out. Mom and Dad used to just use butter and salt and pepper and corn and lima beans. They like their food simple, and if you like your food simple, this is great. I just wanted to use a little more ingredients to kind of make it mine, to kind of elevate the dish a little bit. But I hope you love this recipe. I loved making it for you. So give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it, and consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of yummy food for you. So stay tuned to the next video. Bye.